Okay, looks like we got a video on here. We're just making our dinner, gonna get happy here with a full stomach pretty soon. Can you see the fire? I don't know if you can see the fire from where you're at. We got a fire with coals. It's looking good. Checking it out. Oh yeah, we're looking good. Gonna have to take those off. Anyway, I thought maybe you'd want to know a little bit about me. I am too far away from the fire. First thing you need to know about me is I'm not an expert. I'm not making these videos so that you will learn something. I'm making these videos because my grandson said, "Hey, Grandpa, you're funny. You need to post these things." Well, I needed some help with that, so he got me online, my son and my grandson. Originally I was doing these videos for my wife, so she was, no, I wasn't cheating on her. I was actually going out camping. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm camping. And I'm not an expert, although I do like to watch the videos. I watch other people's videos most of the time. Get some clues on how to do. So I am doing that continually. In fact, my wife gets mad at me because I'm watching videos of camping again. But I'm kind of addicted to this stuff. I am out here in it amongst the trees, amongst nature, and I am loving it. I'm not going to spend the night tonight. I'm going to go back, but I thought I'd get out here and tell you, if you want some tips from Grandpa, you need to see what I do and not do what I do. Do the opposite. That's the best way I can teach anybody, because I am learning myself how to do. I got fire. That's one of the hard things to do, is fire. Unless you take your own wood, but finding dry stuff sometimes can be really difficult, and you got to have dry stuff, otherwise you ain't gonna make it. Anyway, I hope that these things are at least entertaining, because you're not going to learn from Grandpa or Papa.